Hello ladies, hello gentlemen, welcome to my channel. This is Deividas or Mr. Bug. Mr. Bug because sometimes mistakes are happening, bugs are coming and going, so bugs make life more interesting. So first of all, today we're gonna, I'll show you how to use Gemini CLI. We're gonna use git bash and git bash. You can use also Windows command prompt if you're using Windows, or terminal if you're using Mac, but bash is better to see on the screen. First of all, to use, I'm gonna use Gemini CLI for programming tasks, and it's actually designed for that. It can do other stuff, but mainly for programming stuff. So first of all, you need to go to the directory where your project is stored. And let's see, I'll copy paste so it's faster. So this is my project and the path to the project. I'll put cd to change directory, and then it will go to this directory or folder, depends how you wanna call. That's weird. It's not why it's not going where it's supposed to go? How about we'll put some double quotes? Oh, it worked now. Okay, for some weird reason we needed to put double quotes here. Okay, so if needed, we have to do what we have to do. Let's double check if we're in the correct directory, and it looks like we're in correct directory. It contains this folder and those files here. Okay, now let's start Gemini CLI. To start Gemini CLI, you just enter Gemini, and it will connect to the server. It's connecting to the server. While it is connecting to the server, it checks for credits. I have 100% left today. It gives you 1000 free credits or chat messages a day. So that's very generous. Thank you very much, Google. And we're in. So that's the command line tool. We're in our project folder, and we can use it to do many tasks, programming tasks. So I am using different programming environments, editors. I use Cursor, I use Visual Studio Code, I use IntelliJ. So those are good to do day-to-day tasks. The Gemini CLI is good for a little bit different tasks. Is good for code analysis and suggestions. It's good for generating boilerplate code. It's good for debugging complex issues. It's very good for planning architectural changes or writing tests. So it's good for that type of things. If you want to use for programming, editing code, it's not designed for that task yet. So right now, because we're in the project directory, we can ask different questions. For example, analyze this project structure and tell me what you see. So it will go through all my files, and it will tell me what type of project is this. So I know about this project everything because I'm creating it, but if it's a new project, for example, or someone asks me to take a look at their project, then in that case I will not know details about the project. I can use this tool here. So what it tells me, full stack project, web application, Java backend, and JavaScript frontend, yes, which is React, yeah. So it gives me basic information, and then I can ask, for example, what components, main components are in this project. Okay, so it gives me the files and everything else. Basically, you just talking like to another your coworker, and asking him or her to help you with everything to understand. Check my React component structure. So yeah, so basically those types of things. It can clean the project if you want to do cleaning stuff. It can add additional simple files, but I don't recommend doing that, because you wanna use regular editor to see the details. Although this Gemini CLI is a good tool, it might not work for everyone. Like, this is my cursor, so I can see and I can tell everything, the structure and all the codes. It's much easier to deal with small changes than with Google CLI. Okay, thank you very much for watching. So what we did today, we just basically I showed you how to use it quickly. First you need to go to the directory or a folder where you have your project, and then from there on you just ask different questions, and it goes through the entire project and answers all your questions about the project. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.